Hey, this is Stephen James from Project Life Mastery. I'm here right now at SellerCon, and I just got off stage and I want to share with you a few tips for helping you build your Amazon and e-commerce business. Oftentimes, a lot of people, they focus on the strategy, the techniques, the tactics for building their business. And I think that's great. That's incredibly important and valuable, and Amazing.com and Amazing Sell Machine, they provide more than that to help you succeed. But oftentimes people forget about the mindset. The mindset is critical for success because the mindset that you have, your beliefs and why you want this, that's what's gonna determine whether or not you actually apply the strategy. My message really is to work on your business, but also don't forget to work on yourself. Work on your beliefs. You know, believing in yourself first and foremost, that you can do this, that you can be successful. And I think one reason that gives you that confidence, that belief is, here on this channel and through Amazing.com, they've got so many success stories, people that are just like you and I from all over the world that have built their business. They've gone on to make $50,000 a month or $100,000 or $500,000 a month. And it's that belief that they had in themselves that allowed them to do it, but their example, their reference, their inspiration and story, that can be a role model for you that if they can do it, then you can too. You also got to believe in the process, the journey. You can be more than successful on Amazon, it's already been proven, but there's still people out there that believe that you can't, that Amazon's dead, that it's too competitive, that it's too saturated. And sure enough, if you actually believe that, you're not gonna get in the game, you're not gonna take action. And so the other person, on the other hand, that has a different mindset that, there's more than enough opportunity, look at the potential, look at the growth. That person that has the abundance mindset, they're gonna be more likely to take action and start their business. And then of course, believing in your product. You gotta get behind whatever your product is. I understand for a lot of people when you're first getting started, maybe you just wanna get your feet wet, you wanna learn the game, you wanna get some experience and make a little bit of money, but the ones that I've learned that are most successful, they have a belief in their product. If you can't believe in your product, then how can you expect someone else to? So believing in your product, knowing the benefits that your product provides for people, knowing the value of it, knowing why your product is important for other people. Why is your product a necessity for someone and not just an accessory? That belief will make you feel that what you're doing is important and meaningful. You'll almost feel like you're doing people a disservice by not sharing your product and getting it out there and promoting it. So the belief system is so valuable along the journey that will allow you to get more from the strategies that you learn from SellerCon, Amazing, their courses, and all of that. And then also finding what your why is. What's your purpose for starting your business? Maybe when you first start your business, your reason why is to change your job or to quit your job or to create freedom for yourself, or so you never have to worry about money again. That can be a great motivator that will get you started, that will motivate you to make the sacrifices that you have to make along the way, to invest the time, the money, to give up time in your evenings and weekends that sometimes we have to do to build a business. But once you make the money or you create the freedom, you got to find that next reason. And so don't forget to come back to that about why you're building your business, and that will propel you to the next level and will allow you to be more resourceful where you find the answers, you figure things out, because there's definitely challenges along the way, but it's that mindset that's gonna keep you going. So I just wanna remind you to not just work on your business, but work on yourself, continue the journey, keep growing. The channel here and the content they provide, keep consuming that content, keep consuming the courses and information they have as well. And it's a long-term journey, it's a marathon, not a sprint. And I wish you well. Thank you so much for watching this. And if you did, of course, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos here. Thank you.